Imagine unlocking your full potential by understanding and mastering the unique way your mind works. Whether you're an artist, a mathematician, or a natural leader, everyone has a type of intelligence that defines their strengths. In today's video, we're exploring the 9 types of intelligence and how you can achieve mastery in your own. This journey is about becoming the best version of yourself. So buckle up and let's unlock the full potential of that 3-pound universe you carry around in your head. Our first stop is the realm of language, the tool that allows us to communicate complex ideas and spin enthralling tales. Language is the bridge that connects us, enabling us to share our thoughts, dreams, and emotions. Linguistic intelligence isn't just about memorizing vocabulary, it's about understanding the nuances and rhythms of language. It's about wielding language as a force of nature, shaping it to convey meaning, evoke emotions, and inspire action. Think about the writers who move you with their words, the poets who paint vivid pictures with their verses, the speakers who ignite your imagination, and the storytellers who transport you to different worlds. Or the comedians who tickle your funny bone with their clever wordplay and timing. They've all mastered linguistic intelligence, using their skills to connect with audiences on a profound level. Now you might be thinking, I'm no Shakespeare, I can't even write a decent grocery list. But remember, intelligence is about where you choose to go. It's a journey, not a destination. So, how do you master linguistic intelligence? Practice. Immerse yourself in the world of words. Read everything you can from classic literature to comic books. Each genre offers unique insights and styles. Write every chance you get, even if it's just journaling your thoughts. The more you write, the more you refine your voice. Share your voice with the world. Join a writing group, give a presentation, or participate in a storytelling event. Strike up a conversation with someone new. Every interaction is a chance to practice and improve. Every word you speak or write is an opportunity to refine your instrument and become a maestro of language. Embrace the power of words and let your linguistic intelligence shine. Logical mathematical intelligence drives our ability to reason, solve problems, and think critically. It's the foundation of our understanding of the world around us. It helps us decode the universe's puzzles, from the smallest particles to the vast expanse of space. This intelligence is the hallmark of scientists, mathematicians, and programmers who push the boundaries of knowledge and technology. Logical mathematical intelligence is anything but boring. It's the excitement of discovery and the joy of solving intricate problems. It's the thrill of cracking a complex code, the challenge of a Rubik's Cube, and the intricacies of cryptography. It's the satisfaction of designing an elegant algorithm that can change the way we interact with technology and the understanding of how things work. From mechanical devices to abstract concepts. Think about the scientists who unravel DNA mysteries, revealing the secrets of life itself. Engineers who design and build gravity-defying bridges that connect communities, and programmers who create world-changing software that revolutionizes our daily lives. Now you might be thinking, I can barely balance my checkbook. But don't worry, intelligence is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous learning and growth. So, how do you cultivate this analytical prowess? Embrace your inner curiosity. Ask why more often, dig deeper, and seek out patterns in everyday life. Challenge yourself with brain teasers, logic puzzles, and strategy games. These activities sharpen your mind and enhance your problem-solving skills. With logical mathematical thinking, you can unlock the universe's secrets and make sense of the world in ways you never thought possible. Let's turn to spatial intelligence, the ability to perceive and manipulate the world in our minds. This unique form of intelligence allows us to navigate through space, understand the dimensions of objects, and even create mental maps of our surroundings. Spatial intelligence drives artists, architects, sculptors, chess players, and sailors. These individuals rely on their ability to visualize and manipulate spatial relationships to excel in their fields. It's the ability to visualize objects from different angles and see relationships between shapes and spaces. This skill is crucial for problem-solving and innovation, as it allows us to think outside the box and see possibilities that others might miss. Think about architects designing skyscrapers, artists capturing the world on canvas, and sculptors breathing life into stone. These professionals use their spatial intelligence to transform their visions into reality, creating structures and artworks that inspire and awe. They see the world not just as it is, but as it could be. Their ability to imagine and create new forms and spaces is what sets them apart. Now you might be thinking, I can barely draw a stick figure. But spatial intelligence can be nurtured. It's not just about natural talent, it's about practice and exposure to different spatial challenges. Engage in activities that challenge your spatial reasoning. Play chess, solve jigsaw puzzles, build with blocks, or try origami. These activities help develop your ability to think in 3 dimensions and improve your spatial awareness. Explore the world with fresh eyes, paying attention to shapes, colors, and textures. Notice the intricate details in nature, the design of buildings, and the patterns in everyday objects. Take up drawing or painting, even if you start with simple doodles. These activities can help you develop a better understanding of spatial relationships and improve your ability to visualize and create. The more you exercise your spatial intelligence, the more you'll create new worlds of your own. With time and practice, you'll find yourself seeing the world in new and exciting ways, unlocking your creative potential. Bodily-Kinesthetic Intelligence resides in every muscle and fiber of our beings. It's the ability to control our bodies with grace and precision. Think of athletes, dancers, and surgeons who master bodily kinesthetic intelligence. They understand how their bodies move through space and push their physical limits. Now you might be thinking, I'm about as graceful as a meteor. But it's about the mind-body connection. Engage in activities that get you moving and challenge your coordination. Take a dance class, learn a martial art, or go for a run. The more you challenge your body, the more you'll discover its hidden capabilities. Let's explore musical intelligence, where sound transforms into emotion and rhythm dictates the pulse of life. Musical intelligence is the ability to perceive, appreciate, and create music. Think about composers crafting symphonies, musicians breathing life into notes, and singers moving us with their voices. Now you might be thinking, I'm musically challenged, but it's about connecting with music on an emotional level. Immerse yourself in the world of music. Listen to different genres, explore new artists, and attend concerts. Pick up an instrument, even if it's something simple. Find what resonates with you and experiment. The universe is always composing, and you have a part to play in its grand orchestral masterpiece.
Know you've been a good friend.
We venture into the realm of human connection, the realm of interpersonal intelligence. It's about understanding human interaction and the unspoken language between people. Interpersonal intelligence is the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. Think about leaders, teachers, and therapists who inspire, ignite passion, and help navigate challenges. They possess a high degree of interpersonal intelligence. Now you might be thinking, I'm more comfortable talking to my telescope. But it can be developed. Engage in activities that require interaction. Volunteer, join a club, or attend social events. Practice active listening and cultivate emotional intelligence. By strengthening our interpersonal connections, we create a more compassionate world. Let's explore intrapersonal intelligence, the intelligence of self-awareness. It's the ability to understand our own thoughts, emotions, and motivations. Think about philosophers, writers, and artists who seek to understand the human condition. They master intrapersonal intelligence using self-awareness to create meaningful work. Now you might be thinking, I'm always on the go. But it's about connecting with yourself. Cultivate a regular practice of introspection. Keep a journal, meditate, or spend time in nature. Explore your values, beliefs, passions, and fears. The more you understand yourself, the better equipped you'll be to navigate life. Our penultimate stop is Naturalistic Intelligence, understanding and appreciating the web of life. It's the ability to recognize and categorize elements of the natural world. Think about biologists, environmentalists, and gardeners who feel a deep connection to Earth. They possess a high degree of naturalistic intelligence. Now you might be thinking, I'm more comfortable in a concrete jungle. But it's about cultivating a sense of wonder. Spend time in nature, hike, visit botanical gardens, or observe wildlife. Learn about the plants and animals in your area, read books, watch documentaries, or volunteer with environmental organizations. The more you connect with nature, the more you'll realize our place within it. As we conclude our journey, remember these intelligences are not separate boxes. They're like colors on an artist's palette, creating a unique masterpiece. You, Embrace your unique blend of intelligences to pursue your passions and achieve your goals. Intelligence is dynamic and ever-evolving. Be curious, open to new experiences, and willing to learn and grow. Your unique intelligence is your ticket to explore the universe. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more insights on unlocking your full potential. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Let's remind each other of our unique brilliance. Together, let's master our minds and achieve greatness. Keep looking up, questioning, and exploring the infinite possibilities within you and the universe.